Hello and welcome to the Legal CPN Affiliate Program. If you want to make money in the CPN, primary trade line, and business credit business, I'm going to give you some information, some tools, and I'm going to show you how. The best side hustle business to start is not e-commerce, real estate, or writing blogs that no one is ever going to read. If you're serious about the idea of making money, the best side hustle business is selling money, offering people the ability to obtain new credit and boosting their credit scores. This side hustle business doesn't require any upfront fees, any cost, any membership payments, no skills, no experience, or a lot of time to get started. You don't even need to create a product or service, because this side hustle is all about leveraging existing products and reselling products that actually work. The reason our business works so well is because money sells itself. Everyone needs funding, everyone needs financing, and everyone needs new credit opportunities. You have many people that will lie to sell you something. They will create fraudulent pitches, and they will say many things that are not true. We call these people fake it until you make it business people. But not Jason Williams. It's undeniable. And I think everyone knows Jason from Legal CPN. Many know his story on how he took a startup company from one sale to over 1 million sales and built a multi-million-dollar business selling credit, CPN, and trade line products that everyone needs. It's a fact. He helped hundreds of thousands of people make money and start profitable businesses. Those are facts. Absolutely undeniable facts about Jason. Now he's offering this same opportunity to you, absolutely free, and telling you exactly what you need to do to get started. Jason turned his dream into reality and created a life of freedom, now owning many properties in the Virgin Islands and Dominican Republic. It is a fact. Jason turned his dream into reality, all based on CPNs, trade lines, and helping others make money, boosting their credit scores, securing instant credit approvals, and helping people secure the funding they need. That is a fact. And now, Jason is offering you the same opportunity. The bottom line that no one can dispute. If it can work for Jason and many others, this business can also work for you. The first thing you need to understand, how Jason got started will be different from how you get started. Jason had to start by himself with a small team and learn everything day by day. As you start out, you benefit from the ability to handhold, have your success directed, and allowing you to piggyback with a successful network. Ask yourself, how can I fail if I'm following a successful network? You might be thinking, I can run a better business than Legal CPN. If that's what you're thinking, we would say, great, yes, of course you can. We would also tell you that you can buy our products, use our products as your own, sell our products for a profit, and add our products with your products, helping you make more money. All you have to do is copy and paste our success with our experience and our tried and true, client-tested product line. You can guarantee your CPNs by using the CPN identity screening software we have available. If this is what you are thinking, we would conclude you're thinking of a very powerful partnership. I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. If you say yes to these 3 real questions, you deserve to watch the rest of this video. 1. Do you want to make money? 2. Do you need to make more money? 3. Are you looking to make more money without working long hours? If you said yes to these 3 simple questions, give yourself an opportunity to make money, just like Jason. Right now, if making money is something you want to do, The highest thought in your head should be, okay, I'm listening. Tell me how I can build a life of freedom and make money for myself and my family. Right now, I'm going to give you the most important message you ever heard. I'm going to tell you how to make money with our business. I'll say that one more time. Right now, I am going to give you the most important message you ever heard. I am going to tell you how to make money with CPNs and primary trade lines. Number 1, you can make money using CPNs to secure new credit, loans, and funding. Yes, we all know this. Number 2, you can be like Jason. Jason's testimony when starting Legal CPN. He said God whispered in his ear. He said, God said, you're holding the answer. Let me give you a little backstory so you can better understand what I'm trying to tell you. Jason was a real estate investor who was affected, like so many others, during the 2008 and 2009 banking and housing collapse. Like so many others, he reached out for help when the banks stopped lending and rates were skyrocketing, sending everyone into foreclosure. Searching for help from his dire situation, he learned about CPNs and primary trade lines. It was during his reading and research that Jason said God spoke to him, saying, you are holding the answer. It wasn't as though God entered the room, took a seat, and began talking to Jason. Jason said it was like a very clear and blinding idea in his head that captured his entire attention, and thus planted the seeds for where he and you are right now. He realized he could leverage a CPN to make $5, $10, $20, or $50,000 fast, buy a car fast, or he could share this business, resell this information, and spreading this opportunity to other needy people, and make 5 figures monthly helping other people, the exact same way it helped Jason. I'm going to say that one more time because it is important. He realized he could use a CPN and make money, but he realized the more debt he incurred, the more bills he'd be responsible. Or he could share this business and begin to resell this information to everyone interested and everyone that also needed help from CPNs, and instantly boosting their credit scores. Again, I ask you, do you want to make money? Do you need to make more money? Are you looking to make more money without working long hours? If you said yes to any of these questions, I just gave you $100,000 on your next year tax obligations and gave you $1 million business. If you want to make money selling CPNs and instantly boosting credit scores, the rest of this message is for people like you. Okay, now that I'm talking to the right people that want to make money, I'm going to give you the best ways for making money with CPNs. First, you should know that CPNs and trade lines have a proven market need, a high profit potential, and can be started as side hustle and quickly grown into 6-figure businesses. It's a fact. If you look at all the full-time resellers, they all get their products from the same source, Legal CPN. They are all successful and use their websites as their main source of income. Overall, everyone who's stuck with this business has been greatly rewarded and all earning 6 figures yearly, with only a website and a little advertising. Second, CPNs and trade lines is one of the easiest businesses to start. You only need to do what the leader does. Simply set up a website, pay for a little advertising, promote your website on social media, and do not forget, if it works for the other resellers, it can also work for you. Selling CPNs and trade lines is incredibly easy, and you can easily earn a few $100s by the end of the day. All it takes is hiring a web developer, building a website with a catchy domain name, and using Legal CPN as a supplier reselling their products for a profit. Most resellers add primary trade lines and offer hard pull services for additional charges. Successful resellers purchase CPNs, upsell the hard pull service, add mortgage trade lines, and within 21 to 30 days, their client has a score and a primary trade line showing on their credit report, profiting $500, $700, or $1,000 from each client because they knew something their client did not know. I'm going to ask you 3 questions, and I want you to answer these questions mentally. 1. Do you think trade lines and CPNs is a very profitable business? The answer is yes. It is a very profitable business. 2. Do you think it is a lot of websites selling CPNs and trade lines? The answer is yes, because there is a market for the service. 3. Do you think the trade lines and CPN business will go away? The answer is no. I do not think CPNs and trade lines will disappear anytime soon, because every day, someone will need to improve their credit score or create a new business credit profile that they can use to get new credit. To sum it up, CPNs and trade lines is a red-hot market. CPN and trade line sales do well when the economy is bad, because people need credit during bad economies. And this business is great when the economy is good, because there will always be people following the money train looking to gain new credit when they are giving away money. If you're considering being a reseller, let me emphasize the bottom line. Most people aren't as smart as you, so they don't know about CPNs, primary trade lines, and instantly boosting their credit scores. If you walk the street and poll 10 people, then poll 10 more people, you will quickly learn 20 to 30% of the people you polled know about CPNs, trade lines, instantly boosting their credit scores, and obtaining new credit accounts using primary trade lines. Between 70% and 80% of the people you polled will say they have no idea what a CPN or trade line is. You'll also find that most of these people are interested and want to buy their own CPN and trade line. There is no doubt about it. That fact alone shows how this business is going to grow. Let me tell you a little more about Jason Williams. Jason aspired to be a police officer when he was young. He never became a police officer because his police department, the Detroit Police Department, was always run by family and friends. The majority of those officers are family and good friends of commanding officers. So, the hookup is required to get in and get hired. And when it came time for him to get in, he had a bad night at a Michigan college party and knew if he tested, he'd fail because of the partying. He stayed in college, earning 3 degrees, and decided to enter law school, so he had to take the law school entrance exam. Jason thought he was smart enough to walk in and pass another standardized exam. However, he was mistaken because the law school entrance exam wasn't just your average standardized exam, but something else, and he failed. He then went into real estate, obtained a realtor license, and amassed over 50 rental properties, earning the nickname the landlord. He became a millionaire before losing everything during the 2008 through 2010 housing collapse. I said all that about Jason for one reason: to highlight, in life, you may find yourself in unexpected situations. Jason will tell you that he is happy he is not a police officer. Police do not pay what you can earn as a landlord or by selling trade lines and CPNs. If you want to make money, provide for your family, and run a profitable, legitimate online e-commerce business, CPNs and trade lines is a great business. Jason was always blessed and had his path paved. If it can work for Jason, and if you do what Jason is doing, it can also work for you. Use this moment in your life to get started. Do you need to see a burning bush in your living room like Moses? Do you need to see a unicorn or pink elephant walk in your house and begin talking to you? Or Do you need God to hit you upside your head with a stone tablet to clear your mind so you can see this opportunity? Challenge us. If we say you can earn 6 figures yearly in this business, put us to the test. You collect all your money. You do not need to work for anyone else. All you need is a website. Use your social media and use Legal CPN as your partner to process your orders that you are making whatever profit you want. Give yourself the chance and time to make some sales and show yourself that this is the business you prayed for. If you work on this business part-time for a year, I promise that half of you will have a 6-figure side business that brings in money. This is not affiliate marketing. This is a business opportunity where you collect and control all your sales and you collect all your money. Every aspect of your business can be performed using email and your smartphone. Remember the old slogan, be like Mike. Well, you can't be like Mike. You're too old, you're female, and you can't run, jump, dunk, sing, dance, rap, or swim. So you will never be like Mike. But you can start a 6-figure business like Jason. Jason said God told him he was holding the answer. He was right, because everyone can earn a profit in this business. As soon as you choose to sell CPNs and Tradelines, you will start making money. If you say, yes, I want to make money like Jason and the other members of their network, Jason and many web owners are all making 6 figures yearly in this hot online business opportunity. Simply go to legal.cpn.com, click on Affiliates, and then watch the videos on the website. If you're already on the legalcpn.com affiliate page, watch the videos below to learn more about how you can benefit from and be part of this multi-million-dollar e-commerce web niche. Like I said before, follow the leader. Remember, once you buy our products, they are yours, and you can make money by selling them again and again and again. You can also add them to your own products to make your products bigger and more valuable. A lot of people tell us that our products could be sold for more money and ask us why we sell them for less. That is a great question, and we would remind you. 1. For years, Legal CPN has been the main source of CPNs and information for people who sell this type of information and products. We also remind you that from the very beginning, we had a large affiliate network helping our resellers. Our primary intent is to see our resellers grow and make money. 2. We know that most of our products can offer a reseller service, which means we know that many people are willing to pay more to have the service done for them. This is how the people who sell our Tradelines make money. After we give them the information, they go ahead and perform the services, making 6 figures a year. Many resellers also make their own products by repackaging our products into their larger products and services. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room to make at least 10%, 20%, or 50% of what other CPN and Tradeline resellers are making. All you have to do is follow the leader. Even if you only make 10%, 20%, or 50% compared to our top resellers, that's still $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000 in extra income. Ask yourself, can $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000 help you and your family that requires nothing but a website and a little advertising? If it can make Jason and others rich, I can guarantee it can also benefit you. I will say that one more time. Follow these instructions and give yourself a little bit of time. Give yourself 1 year reselling our exact same products in your social media or with your own unique advertising. And I can guarantee 50% of you will also find success. Welcome to the Legal CPN community.